What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. As you can see, I'm installing a new muffler on my Jeep. I've been running no muffler, no exhaust for the last 4 years now. And it doesn't sound too bad at idle. It's kind of got a nice idle, but it's raspy. It's starting to get to me, so I went out and purchased this bad boy. Hopefully that'll help ease things up a little bit when I'm doing 80 on the freeway, so let's get to it. So as you can see, my exhaust literally dumps right behind my axle. Sorry for the darkness, but let's go open that box and see what we have to work with. So what we have here is the Thrush Turbo. Not sure what any of that means, but hopefully it makes that sound a little bit better. I also took a trip to CT and grabbed a reducer and a sleeve, and I did hack my old exhaust off. This is my old exhaust, but I needed some pieces from it, so I hacked the tip off and the 90 just for extra pieces, and they were free. Well, already paid for. Alright, so this is day 2. The pieces that I hacked off of my old exhaust didn't quite fit. Well, they fit, but they didn't quite fit how I wanted them to. So I did have to order out for an actual 90-degree fitting to get the muffler to sit exactly where I want it to fit, which I don't think I've showed you guys yet, so let me quickly show you. So it dumps right there. And I want this, see if I can do this one-handed, to fit nice snug up. Really hard to see. Alright, so I think I have it sitting where I want it to set right now. From behind you can't even see that it's there. But once you're up and under, you can see that's the new 90 that I just purchased. And that's it right there. So let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Really quiet. Like, that's really quiet. Doesn't sound bad. I don't think it sounds too bad at all, to be honest. Alright. You can barely hear it in the car now. It's quiet. And it also is dumping on the passenger side. Let's do a little U here. Let's see if I got enough room. I love the Jeep. Perfect U's every time. It is so quiet. Holy.
Socks and sandals for the win, big guy.
It does sound really quiet inside the Jeep. It's got a really nice tone outside the Jeep. I just gotta pretty up where it dumps now. Other than that, I like the way it turned out. Not too bad for 40 bucks or 50 bucks from Canadian Tire.